Hey, I'm Rich, 25 years old, Aquarius. But you know. Oh, and look, you know, like I scared him off. Cause you know, like it's just flashback on me. Some guys, you know, like no matter how you look at it, they're intimidated when you're like, and they're like.
What do you think of the pigeons?
I think, you know, if there was a zombie holocaust in Montreal, it would look something like that. Cheese is the human. Just when you thought it was safe to eat a grilled cheese. Type of thing, you know?
Pigeons like cheese. Wow. And the seagull.
You know, there's one thing I don't get about, you know, like the pigeon mentality. Look how many seagulls you got there. You got 2, and you got like 40 pigeons.
They're getting
the 40
mad.
Pigeons like beat up, you know, like the 5 seagulls.
Oh, that seagull fucking ran away with the cheese. Where the fuck did he go? Yeah.
The bullies of, like, you know, avian nature.
Oh, they're fighting for the fucking cheese. That's so funny.
Oh, and look, he's flying away with it.
I lost him.
Yeah, he's right over there.
I got most of it. Pigeons and seagulls with cheese.
Like most French people, they enjoy their fromage.